Hey you guys, welcome to Brick Designed. It's me, Jesse. Today I'm just going to show you this micro scale mock that I did of this suburban street. So we have these 3 different houses. I'm going to show you the little details of each one and just basically take you on a little tour. Also really wanted to just shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. I recently hit 1,000 subscribers and that's such a big milestone. Just thank you so much. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment and say hello and let me know which of these houses is your favorite. So each of these houses sits on 16 by 16 studs and they can be rearranged and moved around accordingly, however you want to rearrange your neighborhood. We'll take a look at the blue house first. So this one is actually my favorite one. I included little details like that stop sign, and then there's like a mailbox, the little truck outside, and then this tree is actually pretty cool. It's a really simple build and you can actually use it as like a bush or something in regular scale or minifig scale. Then the windows are just headlight bricks for each of the houses. As you can see, there's like a little dormer up here underneath the slope. And then the tree in the backyard is actually even more simple. It's just a snot brick with a stud on all 4 sides and then left the studs exposed to create some texture. And that's also what I did with this backyard. I really wanted to focus on the fence, and so I left all the studs exposed on the yards for basically grass, to give the grass some texture and to squeeze those fence plates or the tiles as a fence into those studs. I don't know if that's an illegal build or not. But yeah, so that's the blue house, and we'll get into the other 2. So each of these houses does have a garage, which I use the real brick for that. And then the white one has a little car in the driveway. Both of these houses are 2 stories. Again, I use the headlight bricks. Cones for I guess some little trees, and then just some tiles as some bushes. There's a trampoline in the backyard of this one, and then those grill plates for like I guess like a picket fence or a wood fence. The greenhouse has the pool, which is probably my favorite feature of all the backyards. And then there's just some sliding glass back doors and a little covered patio. Yeah, so that's the little neighborhood. I hope to do more micro scale. I don't build in it often, but it is one of my favorite things to do. If you don't build in micro scale, I suggest trying it out. It's actually a really creative way to challenge yourself to use pieces differently. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.